Guys, welcome to my channel. Last week I ordered some stuff from Zara online. They have an app. Sorry. They have an app. You can download the app as well as you can use their website. So I've already opened the packaging so that it's easier for me to record. So let's do the unboxing. So I have ordered a blazer. This is a black blazer in size M, and it is 6,000. It is a black satin soft material. It's a short blazer, so you can wear it over a black formal pant and it's good to go. So there is a belt. These are the sleeves. There is a padding on the shoulder. It has a nice white collar. This is how it looks like. A very pretty one. Let's keep this aside. And I also ordered some boots. Pretty red color boots. My size is 37 and this is it. Neat packaging, lovely product, lovely sole. I need to try out the size, which I will do that soon. With the red boots. Okay, let me tell you the price for this. I do not remember the price. Okay, here's the tag. This is 2,890 bucks. It says flat ankle boot. However, you could see there is some heel, say about 2 inches. And then this is a brown top. I ordered this in a size small because M wasn't available. So if it doesn't fit me, then I will have to return it. It's a very silky, soft, flowy material. Pretty brown, lovely brown. These are the sleeves. I like the detailing of the sleeves with a tiny little button. Let me see what's the price for this. This is in small, 2,290. This goes well both on formals and casuals. So this will go good on your formal trouser or on a jean. I just fell in love with the material, therefore I ordered this. And this is a black basic t-shirt with a high collar. So this is the full collar in M, 590. So this is it. You can wear this on a jean or you can wear it inside a black blazer. Anything works. Or you can wear it just like that and put on a high waisted linen pants or a parallel pant. It will look amazing on it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel and this video. Thank you once again.